How to change facial expression easily in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Capcut on a device. Then tap on new project. Then select photos and select the photo. Then tap on add. Now select the photo and tap on effects at the bottom menu. Then tap on style and tap on OK. Now on the horizontal menu, simply scroll to the right and go to expressions section. Now select the expression. Now wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply tap on export at the top right corner and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.